Hello! Today on Miniman Wood Design, I'm going to show you how I make a minimalist, space-saving, fold-down desk using this really sweet piece of inch-thick, incredibly sturdy, durable oak, which is also cost-effective. I know you're like, what? It is. I never really liked these desks. A lot of people make them out of like 3/4 inch plywood, and the desktop seems very unsturdy, and I need a sturdy, durable desktop to do work. I'm a bigger guy anyway, so if I start leaning on it, I don't want it to break on me. And so that's why I designed one of these. I sell it in my shop actually, and I'm going to show you how I make it. And the secret is, like I said, this very 30-inch thick piece of oak, which you will not find in the actual wood section at the big box stores, but you will find it in the section with the trim because it is sold as a stair tread. Yes, this is a stair tread. It's got the bull nose on the front, and it's made to be a stair, and that's why it's a little more cost effective than if you just bought a piece of inch thick oak. But it makes a beautiful desktop. So let's get into it. First step is I'm going to use a second piece of this stair tread to make the pieces of the frame. So we're going to cut those pretty thin and get the frame built first. I'm going to cut these, make sure they're square, and then we'll cut them to length. This is a piece of 3/4, which will serve as the back supports. So I got that cut to length, and then we'll rip it. Next step, we'll get everything sanded. I'll put the pocket holes in and get the frame assembled, and then put on the 2 back supports, and that'll be it for the frame, and then we'll move on to the desktop. Quick note, I've only been using this style of Kreg Jig maybe a couple of months, maybe, I'm not really sure. But I love the ease and the quickness of use. You can easily change the stock right here. And it's got a lock on the top. And look at it. It's a lot faster, a lot easier. Just smoother to use than the one I had in the past, so if you're interested, pick one of these up. I'll have a link down below. All right, everything is sanded up, pocket holes are drilled. I'm going to glue it up, clamp it up. We're going to put the pocket hole screws in, and good to go. All right, and with that, the frame is done. It's as sturdy as can be, and we will move on to the actual desktop. The desktop's cut, and I cut 2 of these supports that will go on the desktop, so when it folds down, these will latch under the frame and provide the support for the desktop. So they're just two, like 3x12s essentially. Two last steps, the piano hinge and the latch. It's a lot of screws. That's just all right. All right. We're finished. Let's get her mounted and see how it looks. All right, so here we are with the final product on the wall. It is not permanently mounted to the wall because, like I was saying earlier in the video, this actually has a permanent home somewhere else, so I don't want to put any holes into it that I don't have to. But latch holds the desktop in place. Folds down. It's nice, sturdy surface. This is big, durable, and heavy. Mounting it, you'd want to put screws through this back plate right here into the wall studs, or you could put an aluminum cleat on the back, which, like I said, I haven't done because this has a home somewhere else. But perfect writing style, folds up, minimalist, space saving, out of the way, but a good little workspace for your kids or for you, or for doing homework or for doing crafts or whatnot. And it just folds up and out of the way. It's 4 inches out of the wall, 33 inches long. Great little space. Anyhow, I hope this gave you some ideas. Make this, put it in your house, whatever you want to do. See you on the next one.